little scientist. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create your very own crystals from your home. Here's what you need: powdered potassium alum, food coloring, an empty jar, fuzzy wire, a chopstick, fishing line, a plastic spoon, a measuring cup. Prepare the empty jar, prepare the potassium alum, measure 10 tablespoons and pour them in. Fill the jar with hot, boiling water, but no more than halfway to maintain the concentration of the water content. Stir continuously until it dissolves. Add the food coloring and stir. Prepare the fuzzy wire and chopstick, then tie them together using fishing line and cut off any excess. Shape the fuzzy wire into a circular form and tie it. It should look like this. Place it inside the jar and let it rest for about 6 to 8 hours. After a long wait, the result is truly a masterpiece. This is easy to cultivate using simple steps and materials. It's not only a fun activity, but also an educational experience. I really love the shimmering appearance and unique shape of this crystal. It sparkles and stands out. I hope you find joy in this homegrown crystal. As they say, science is fun, so keep exploring, little scientists. Bye, little scientist.